Before we start or explain to you about mechanical handling, I will introduce to you about group member. Muhammad Shafiq as the first presenter, second Aminuddin, Muhaimin, Muhammad Ashraf, and lastly, this is me, Muhammad Afiq Naufal, as the last presenter. So let's proceed to introduction of mechanical handling. Assalamualaikum and good day everyone, especially our lovely lecturer, Dr. Aslinda, and all of you. We are from Group 9 to present about mechanical handling.
Today, I'm going to explain about a project which is about mechanical handling. So I'll be taking the introduction. So mechanical handling plays a very integral part in the construction industry. That means mechanical handling plays a very important role. Without proper mechanical handling, it can actually cause more harm than good to workers, as handling this kind of heavy machinery requires certain skills that is need to be required for workers to have. Every year, many workers are victims of work-related accidents, some of them serious and some are even fatal due to occupational diseases because they are exposed to numerous hazards posed by the machine they operate and their work environment. This is because these machinery are very heavy and very strong. This machinery can actually cause harm to people if not handled properly. Main mechanical risks that includes cuts, lacerations, needle punctures, crushing and contact with machines, as well as fall from heights, slip, trips and falls on the same level, and also trench cave-ins. This is all due to improper handling of the mechanical at construction sites, which can cause some damage to our human body. Thank you.
Okay, this is an example of mechanical handling. As we can see, the figure shows the forklift and the material handling equipment. Okay, next, and this is the mechanical handling device. Okay, next, an example of mechanical handling, truck mount crane, and there are cranes, and there are two types of cranes. There is tower cranes and jeep cranes, and jeep cranes is divided into two: jeep tower crane and crawler type cranes. And another one, it is overhead, or we call it as gantry traveling crane. Okay, next
I will continue to the mechanical handling hazards. Okay, there are 4 mechanical handling hazards. First, the mechanical handling equipment. Second, the load. Third, the workplace, and the last is the employees. Okay, and I will go to the mechanical handling equipment. What is the mechanical handling equipment? Okay, it must be capable of lifting and or moving the load, and must be fault free, well maintained and inspected on a regular basis. Okay, for the hazards: collision between people and the equipment, personal injury from being trapped in moving part of the equipment such as belt, screw, conveyors. Okay, we go to the load. Should be prepared for transportation in such a way as to minimize the possibility of accidents. The hazard for the load, the nature of the load, substances which are flammable or hazardous to health. Next, the security and stability of the load, collapse of bale or incorrectly stuck pallets. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. I will continue to the mechanical handling hazard for the workplace and the employees. Okay, we go to the workplace. What is the workplace? It should be designed so that whenever possible, workers and load are kept apart. Okay, the hazard for the workplace is the collision between people and the moving load. Okay, and we go to the employees, the last mechanical handling hazard. Okay, the employees and any other people who are to use the equipment must be properly trained and competent in its safe use. Okay, the hazard for the employees: error made by operators cause accidents involving mechanical handling equipment. Okay, that's all for the mechanical handling hazard. Okay, next we go to the control measure. There are 5 control hazards. First, identification and testing, maintenance, safety measures, operating areas, and operating training. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
First, for identification and testing. Every machine should be tested and certificate should be issued. The safe working load clearly marked. Second, maintenance. Machines should be inspected regularly with any fault repaired immediately. Record of inspection should be kept. Safety measures. A number of safety measures should be incorporated for the safe operation of the crane, automatic safe load indicator, deadman control, and other machines. Fourth, operating area. All nearby hazards, including overhead cable and bare power supply conductors, should be identified and removed or rerouted. Solid support should be available. The possibility of striking other cranes and structure should be examined. Fifth or last point, operating training. Machine operators and slingers should be fit and strong enough for the work. Training should be provided for the safe operation of the particular equipment. So that's all for our presentation. Now, let's proceed to question and answer session. So do you have any question or do you not understand? So you can ask now. So thank you for listening and thank you for your attention.